Don't speak against the people that are talking about Biafra, and that speak against that man. Nande Karo don't. It's not easy. If people has find a way to kill that guy, therefore do it. But the Lord never allowed the truth to be destroyed. Appreciate him. Nandekar is a hero. Appreciate him. I will always speak to you. Why? Because your destiny did not lie in the hands of any man. Your destiny lies in the hands of the Lord. I can never pretend to not to save people. No, I can never pretend to not to tell the truth. It's impossible. Today, many people are recognizing that we are good people. But before, many see us as a bad people, Igbo people. Wickedness and greediness. We are not. We are the development of nation. Anywhere we are, there is a prosperity. Anywhere we are not, there is no prosperity. Now, if you are for prosperity, anywhere you are today, receive prosperity. Anywhere you are, I say prosper. Igbo man, anywhere you are, prosper. 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 Receive your prosperity. Receive your open doors. Receive your celebration. Arise and shine. Open door is going away now. Prosperity is on your way. The East, the Igbo man, receive your prosperity. Arise and shine. If you agree with me, start to celebrate your prosperity.